In this video, we are going to discuss about the VLAN configuration and what topology we have selected to configure this VLAN configuration. We will be looking into it practically in the packet tracer. VLAN configuration on switch 1 and switch 2. So this is a VLAN example. In this example, you can see there are two switches which are connected through a remote wireless, as well as you can see for each switch 3 PCs are connected. So here the 3 PCs, we should first configure these PCs. So we went in and we have configured the interfaces of the PC as static, and we have provided some IP addresses as per the Cisco norms, as well as subnet mask is also provided with the MAC address available here. So this is for the PC1. In the similar way, we have configured PC2 also for the fast Ethernet with the static IP address and the subnet mask as 255.255.255.0. So here the MAC address also is automatically configured. So this is for the PC2, and similarly we do it for PC3, and it is all static because we have configured the IP address static, and also we have provided the MAC address for this PC, so that this three PCs are connected to switch 1, and in the same way the other three PCs are connected to switch 2 here. So here when you want to configure the VLAN, you can see previously when you place a marker on this packet tracer, if you place a marker on the switch, you can see clearly what are the ports available. There are 24 ports available, and we have one VLAN that is also a default VLAN, and the host name is switch. And apart from the 24 fast Ethernet, you can see out of this 24 fast Ethernet, you can see only 4 are up and assigned with the VLAN. That means VLAN is already configured in this. So we'll just go and check what the VLANs are assigned to so and so interfaces. So when you double click on this switch, you get this information, and you can see clearly about the configuration. This is switch 1 and fast Ethernet 1. Okay, so we will be going with show VLAN brief first. So we have to come out of the interface mode, and again we have to exit the configuration mode. Okay, so show VLAN brief. Here it is. You can see the VLANs are already configured, that is VLAN 0002 and VLAN 0003. And you can see the VLAN 0002 is active, and the ports or the interfaces which are available on the VLAN 2 is FA 0/2 and 0/3, and VLAN 3 is FA 0/4 here. So that you can also check regarding to the interfaces, what are the switch port numbers and what are the details of the interfaces, what and which mode is it, in trunk mode or access mode, by typing the show interfaces fast Ethernet 0/2. Why we choose 0/2 is you can see VLAN 2 is active for the ports FA 0/2 and 0/3. So we have chose 0/2 to know whether the VLAN 2 is configured on the interface or not. So we have to type switch port. Here are the details of the VLAN 2 configured fast Ethernet 0/2. You can see the name is 0/2 of the interface, and switch port is already enabled. Administrative mode is static access. Operational mode is static access. Administrative trunking encapsulation is .1q, and also operation and trunking encapsulation is native. Negotiation of trunking is off. Access mode is VLAN is 2 and its name is VLAN 0002 is given. Trunking native mode VLAN is 1 in default, because you see access mode VLAN is 2, but the trunking is different. Here you should not confuse, because you see access mode VLAN is what we configured on it, but already we know the default VLAN 1 is available, and you can see here the default. So these are the ports active on the default VLAN 1. So the trunking happens from this VLAN 1 here. So you can also see the administrative private VLAN host association is none, and also we can see operational private VLAN is none. Trunking VLAN enabled is all, and also if you click on enter, you can see more information regarding trunking VLANs enabled or not, capture mode is disabled or enabled, capture VLAN is allowed or not, in the same way. So in the same way you can check for fast Ethernet 0/3, that is also is assigned with the VLAN 002 here. See here, the access mode VLAN is 2, but the trunking mode VLAN is 1. This is for the switch 1, wherein 3 VLANs are available, which is a default is VLAN 1, and the 2 VLANs created is VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. Now you can clearly see here for the fast Ethernet 0/4, the VLAN 3 is configured, and the trunking native mode is VLAN 1. So this is how the VLANs are created and assigned to the ports. This is on switch 1. In the similar way, if you go to switch 2 to check the details, here under CLI mode, when you double click on it, so you see show VLAN interface. When you type show VLAN interface or show VLAN brief, you can see the VLAN 2 and VLAN 3 are created, and here when you see in the switch 1, VLAN 2 has 2 ports and VLAN 3 has 1 port, but here you can see VLAN 2 has 1 port and VLAN 3 has 2 and 3 ports, so that it can use the trunk mode and access mode to transfer the data, and this VLAN is very useful in this kinds of complex network topology. So that this is about the VLAN configuration.